Today we're going to scrap out this carrier AC heater unit, also referred to as a PTAC unit or a PTAC from the HVAC shop. They took the case off because they took the refrigerant out, put a screw in the hole. It's pretty cool. So like I said, it's a carrier. Let's see a little bit about this. All right, serial number 2608. So that's week 26 of 2008. Wow, this thing didn't last too long. So we'll rip this apart, get some good stuff out of here. Some copper, sealed unit, some wire, fan motor, coils, this big old plug with the 220 plug, made in China. So that's why it broke. Okay, so let's start going at this. All right, I'm going to start off by removing the control panel and the box so we can get the wire out of there. There's the panel or control box. Let's see. There's some wires. There's our awesome plug. Might as well just cut that off. Get this front off. Let's see. Man, this thing's got a lot of screws. One more. Man. All right. Anyway, there's all the wiring, so we'll cut that out. All right, there's all the wire. A couple pieces still stuck in there. And we got a transformer, so don't forget to pull that out. All right, let's get this box out of the way before we continue. All right, since this thing has a lot of screws in it, I'm gonna just zing all these out real quick, and then we'll start taking it apart some more, all right? All right, you got the picture. All right, we're back. The screws are out. It was literally 48 screws I had to take out, so I don't want to waste everyone's time with that. Even in fast forward, that's a lot of screws. And that ain't coming out to the fans out. So I guess next we'll get out our coils. Well, first, let's get this rest of this wire out of the way. All right, there's that. Now let's get the coil. Let's see here. Wow. Right, there you go. Man, hacked to pieces. All right, out for the other one. Here we go. Number 2. Pretty nice coils in here. All right. Let's get the rest of this copper off the compressor. Make it a little easier. There we go. Our next, I guess I'll pull off the wiring and we'll get the sealed unit and fan motor out of here. Pull this blanket off. Insulation. Let's see, get the drill. All right, as always, spin the fan for the video. Get rid of that plastic. Let's get this compressor off. That. Sorry about that noise, peeps. Oh, the bolt broke. Oh, maybe not. All right. Come on. Rusted down a bit there. All right. Compressor. We'll pull this off before we go to the scrapyard. Then let's get this fan motor off and the heating element off. All right, now let's pull this stuff off real quick. First, we're going to do this fan. As you can see, I can't get my drill thing in there, so I'm going to just use a regular hand screwdriver. Surprised this fan blade is actually made of steel. Usually they're all like plastic now. I'm still in a bit. Same with that one. Clip, clip. There's your fan, the motor. Sorry, I had to bend that out of the way. And your heating element. Man, this thing's got to have 100 screws in it. I might actually count it. While we're at it, let's get this cleaned up. And another motor. All right, let's set this all up and let's see what we got out of this. All right, here's our finished product. Here's all our steel. 86 screws. 86 screws. And we'll also show our garbage back there. Fan plastic, the styrofoam that looks like it's melted, drip tray, and the sealed unit insulator. Here is our number 2 wire. Killer brass plugs on there. Cut those off later. I'm going to do a big brass run coming up, so I'll make a video of that. There's our Inconel, whatever, heating element. 2 electric motors. I forgot to show pulling off the transformer. Here is the sealed unit. Here's our little bit of copper. And my favorite part, the coils. I wish these ends were a little beefier, but hey, that's all right. It'll all add up in the end. So, all right, there you go.